Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how to invest $500. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. I'm going to talk about how to invest $500. The first way you could invest $500 is putting it into an account called an emergency fund. So you could open an account set up mainly for when crises occur in your life. For example, if you lose a job, you will have money to pay for your expenses in case you lose the job. Also, emergencies like, for example, your home. There may be a leak in your roof of your home and you will want this to be repaired. You will have money set aside, which is the emergency fund, to take care of emergencies like this. Also, your engine in your car, you may need to repair the engine in your car. Once again, unexpected event, you will have this emergency account set up where you can go ahead and take the money and take care of such needs when they are unexpected. So the first thing you can use the 500 to do is invest it in an emergency fund. Normally you want to build that up to 3 to 6 months of your monthly living expenses. The next way you can invest $500 is into a Roth IRA. I've made videos in the past talking about Roth IRA. So this is also very, very important investment account, the Roth IRA. This is a account you could use to help you build wealth in the long run. So investing $500 into a Roth IRA in the long run over 15, 20, even 30 years, automatically just set your account up and invest in the 500 into the Roth IRA in the long run will help you to build wealth. I know it's not something you could just have $1 million in 3, 4 months or even in 2 years. It's a long haul, but it's worth investing the $500 into a Roth IRA account. Just think of it. We all at some day will reach retirement age. We all will reach the time where we have to stop work or we cannot work anymore. We all gonna at some point, if we live, we're gonna end up at that stage of our life, retirement time. So why retire with nothing? It doesn't make no sense retiring, working all your life and retiring with nothing. So one of the simplest things you could do to help you have some money, if not wealth, but definitely money to take care of you in your retirement life would be a Roth IRA. I'm a big fan of a Roth IRA. It's one of my main investment vehicle. So I love the Roth IRA. So I really recommend investing the $500 into a Roth IRA. The next thing you could do is pay off debt. Use the $500 to pay off any debt you have, whether it's student loan, whether it's auto loan, whether it's credit card debt. I would use it to pay off all consumer debts. That way, paying off the consumer debts or any kind of debt per se you have, the advantage of that is that gives you with money you would have put towards debt to actually put towards something like an investment account. Like I just talked about the Roth IRA. So being debt free should be another goal you want to reach. So putting the $500 towards paying off debt, it's a great thing to do. It would be it's a good use of the $500, because remember, debt is a thing that prevents you from building wealth. Also, you could purchase a course, spend the $500 on a course to learn a new skill. You could want to learn how to be a graphic designer. You could put the 500 towards purchasing a course, learning how to do graphic design. This could help you to enhance your skills, to make you more marketable in the marketplace. So I would invest it in a course. It could be anything. It don't have to be graphic design. It could be a course on fitness. You may want to get in shape, and you want to purchase a course to help you to learn the process in going about getting yourself in shape. And the $500, it's something you could invest it in, putting towards purchasing a course. The next thing I would do with the 500 is invest it in starting an online business. That's another favorite part um, of mine too. Trying to open an online business. It's something I would recommend anybody, whether you want to start it at the side or if you want to do it full time. But it's something you have to go through a process. You do not just want to quit your job and then start an online business. There's process in doing that, but definitely I would keep my job and start an online business. This is something I really would recommend, highly recommend it. And that I would use the 500 towards doing that. Whether you want to use the $500 to register in your local county to pay for the fees to get your business registered, whether you want to buy a website, build a website, sorry, put towards business cards, buying supplies for the business, the normal expenses it would take to start your online business, I would put the 500 towards starting an online business. It's a great investment. I recommend to everyone to consider starting an online business. Just look at something you love doing. Don't just go and open a small business because your friend or your neighbor has a small business or your family member. You want to open a small business which you're passionate about, something you're doing. Most likely something you're already doing at your main job, but you're um, taking it on your own to do online. For example, if you work at a company as a software engineer, I'm just drawing a reference. You could probably open a business helping medical industry with with their with their computers, with helping them with software, with managing their software. When they have problems with their computers, you're able to come and help them. If they want things to be fixed on their computer, you can help them with that. Again, just make sure there is no conflict of interest with your main job, but you want to do something that you're passionate about, the online business. So I would recommend investing the $500 into a small business. It's also going to generate income for you. It will increase your income, especially if you keep in your job and then starting the online business. You will be definitely building wealth that way. And that's another great way to build wealth, is starting online business. You could invest the $500 into books. You could take the $500 and purchase books that will enhance you as an individual. Reading always makes you a better person because of the knowledge you gain by reading. The average millionaire reads a book per month. So that tells you a lot what reading does to you as an individual. I would take the $500, buy books that has material based on money, investing money, health and fitness, dieting. Those are things that will enhance you as an individual. So I would definitely invest the $500 towards purchasing educational books. Finally, I would invest in a brokerage account. I would look at any financial institution out there that offers brokerage account, and I'd open a brokerage account. Even though the brokerage account is going to be taxable, it is a taxable account, but the return on investment of that 500 over a long period of time outweighs the taxes you'll be paying on the account. So I would take the $500 and invest it into a brokerage account. This 500 will grow significantly over a long period of time, let's say 5, 10, 15 years, based on the returns the stock market generates from history over a long period of time. So those are the areas I would invest $500. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.